Let's welcome you to the top 3 most futuristic motorhomes on the planet.
To a level of luxury that moves with you. Number 3. We have the Obsidian Sentinel X9, a motorhome that feels less like a vehicle and more like a mobile structure designed to impose presence wherever it goes. From the outside, the Sentinel X9 is unmistakable. Dark, angular bodywork wraps the entire form, with sharp edges and deep surfaces that look carved rather than assembled. The glass is heavily tinted, revealing nothing of what's inside, and the lighting is minimal and restrained, used only to outline the architecture. This motorhome doesn't chase attention. It controls space simply by existing within it. The way it rides reinforces that impression. Beneath the armored exterior sits a heavy-duty adaptive suspension system built for stability first. Independent multi-axle suspension keeps the massive structure level at all times, while reinforced dampers absorb uneven road surfaces without allowing body roll. This isn't a floating ride. It's grounded, firm, and deliberate. Whether cruising through urban roads or long highway stretches, the Sentinel X9 feels planted and unshakable, like it's anchored to the ground even while moving. The cockpit is where the Sentinel's personality becomes unmistakable. The driver sits in an elevated, enclosed command position surrounded by digital displays and physical controls designed for clarity rather than comfort. The dashboard feels more like a control room than a traditional RV cockpit. Wide screens provide navigation, suspension status, vehicle diagnostics, and camera feeds, giving full awareness of the motorhome's surroundings. The seating is firm, supportive, and built for endurance, not relaxation. You don't drive this motorhome casually. You operate it. Inside, the interior continues the same disciplined design language. Dark graphite tones dominate the walls and cabinetry, paired with matte black surfaces and subtle metallic accents. Soft LED lighting is integrated into ceiling lines and architectural edges, adding warmth without decoration. The living area is compact but intelligent, with structured seating designed for long use rather than lounging. Storage is hidden behind flush panels and seamless cabinetry, keeping the space visually calm and uninterrupted. The kitchen is minimal and functional, with concealed appliances and smooth surfaces that disappear into the architecture. Everything is placed for efficiency. The bedroom follows the same controlled philosophy, with sound-insulated walls, a firm bed, and ambient lighting that feels secure rather than indulgent. The bathroom is compact but premium, featuring durable finishes and a clean, utilitarian layout. The Obsidian Sentinel X9 is built for individuals who value authority, privacy, and control. It's not about softness or excess. It's about dominance through restraint. Pricing reflects that purpose, typically starting between $1.60 and $2 million, depending on configuration. It earns the number 3 spot because it delivers unmatched presence and security, but sacrifices emotional comfort for discipline. Number 2. Everything changes. The Aurelius Grand Residence is designed not to intimidate, but to welcome. Its exterior is smooth, light-toned, and refined, with flowing geometry and expansive glass surfaces that immediately signal openness. Where the Sentinel feels armored, the Aurelius feels architectural, like a modern luxury residence placed on wheels. It doesn't command space through force, but through elegance. The ride quality defines this motorhome's character. An advanced air suspension system continuously adjusts ride height and damping based on road conditions, creating a smooth, floating sensation. Long highway drives feel effortless, with minimal vibration and noise entering the cabin. This motorhome is designed for comfort over long distances, allowing travel to feel relaxed rather than demanding. The cockpit reflects that same philosophy. The driver's area is open, refined, and designed to reduce fatigue. Seating is plush and ergonomically shaped, while the dashboard blends digital displays with clean physical controls. Navigation, climate, and vehicle systems are intuitive and unobtrusive. Large windows enhance visibility, reinforcing the sense of openness. This cockpit doesn't feel like a command post. It feels like the front seat of a luxury sedan. Step inside, and the interior immediately feels residential. Soft grays, warm creams, and polished metallic accents define the space. Natural light pours in through large windows, making the living area feel airy bright, and calm. The living room layout is generous, with plush seating arranged for relaxation and conversation. This is a space designed to slow time down. The kitchen is fully residential in both layout and feel. Integrated appliances, stone-style countertops, and hidden storage allow daily cooking without compromise. The dining area flows naturally into the living space, reinforcing the feeling of a real home rather than a temporary shelter. The bedroom feels like a hotel suite, finished in soft textures and warm lighting that promote rest. The bathroom is equally refined, with premium fixtures, elegant surfaces, and enough space to feel comfortable rather than confined. The Aurelius Grand Residence is built for people who want to live on the road for months at a time without sacrificing comfort. Pricing reflects that level of luxury, typically ranging from $2.30 to $2.80 million depending on customization. It earns the number 2 spot because it perfects livable luxury, but it doesn't redefine what a motorhome can be. And then we reach number 1. The Echelon Apex 1 doesn't feel like the next step. It feels like a leap. From the outside, the Apex 1 looks sculpted rather than built. Dark, refined surfaces blend with sharp geometry, but unlike the Sentinel, there's elegance in every line. The proportions are dramatic yet balanced, with integrated lighting that highlights the architecture without drawing attention to itself. This motorhome doesn't follow trends. It feels like it arrived from the future. The suspension system is a technological showcase. Fully adaptive hydraulic suspension actively manages body movement in real time, keeping the ride perfectly composed during acceleration, braking, and cornering. The Apex 1 glides over the road with a sense of effortlessness that feels almost unreal. It's smooth, stable, and precise at all times. The cockpit is where the Apex 1 truly separates itself. The driver's environment feels like a fusion of luxury aviation and advanced automotive design. Wide curved displays wrap around the cockpit, integrating navigation, vehicle systems, and environmental controls into a single seamless interface. Seating is sculpted and supportive, blending comfort with control. The materials are premium but minimal, reinforcing focus and clarity. This cockpit doesn't overwhelm. It empowers. Inside, the interior opens into a beautifully balanced space. Light beige and soft neutral tones dominate, paired with darker accents that add depth. The living area feels architectural rather than decorative. Sculpted seating supports the body while maintaining elegance, and nothing feels bulky or unnecessary. Warm golden lighting runs subtly along ceiling lines and walls, creating a refined glow that enhances the space without distracting from it. The kitchen is sleek and modern, with seamless surfaces, hidden appliances, and storage that disappears entirely when not in use. Every element feels intentional. The bedroom is a private sanctuary, minimal and calming, with soft lighting and premium finishes. The bathroom continues the same language, feeling closer to a boutique hotel than a motorhome. What truly elevates the Apex 1 is its dedicated office and workspace. Integrated into the living layout is a refined work area with a floating desk, concealed technology, and controlled lighting designed for focus. This is a space built for decision makers, creators, and executives who don't stop working just because they're moving. It transforms the motorhome into a mobile headquarters. The Echelon Apex 1 isn't just luxury. It's vision. It combines authority, comfort, and innovation into a single cohesive experience. Pricing reflects that ambition, starting around $3.8 million and exceeding $4.5 million with full customization. And that's why it stands at number 1. Now the question is yours. If you had to choose just one, the disciplined power of the Obsidian Sentinel X9, the residential comfort of the Aurelius Grand Residence, or the future-defining Echelon Apex 1, which one would you take? Drop your pick in the comments. And if luxury on wheels is your world, like, subscribe, and stay tuned because the next video is even crazier.